This is the Canon HF G30 camcorder distortion test. I've got an oscilloscope here, which is a typical shot that I would do here in the lab, and I'm checking for distortion, particularly around the buttons around this side around here. Now it's got auto focus at the moment, so it should be you know, reasonably well focused everywhere else. Now I've got it set to f2.0 at the moment, so the widest aperture you can get, and I can't see it on the LCD here, so I have to view it back on the computer to see if I can see any distortion here, but it should be around about here. And I'll do a couple of different zoom settings here. Let's go in a bit. Once again, I'm looking for distortion around the edges on that lens. Okay, now I've got a fixed aperture of f4.0, so let's take it out. And I just played it back on the computer, and yes, I am getting some blurring and distortion around the outside here at this particular zoom level. I'm back at f2.0 now. I'm going to insert a grid here, so maybe we can see some distortion on possibly that grid as well. So there's some people on the forum have said there's probably something wrong with the lens, like slightly out of alignment at a particular zoom level. So yeah, I think something's going on. Let me play this one back again, but I think we should be able to see it maybe around about there or so. And the blurring only seems to be on this side over here. If we take the grid over on that side, I don't think you'll see any distortion over here, so it's pretty much only in that side. And if we zoom in, the further you zoom in, it just goes away. It should like be gone now. There should be no distortion there at all, but we zoom out, and certainly at around about that position, which is 380 millimeters away from my camera, then we're certainly getting some distortion there. I think when we zoom out all the way, it's okay, but at a certain zoom distance, which just happens to be pretty much the predominant zoom distance that I use, and camera zoom and camera distance I use in my videos here for product reviews and teardowns and things like that. This is a very ordinary distance for me. So yeah, I think there's something wrong with the alignment of the lens on my Canon HF G30. I've never seen this on my older Canon HF G10. So yeah, I think this has an issue.